Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert an image behind text using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and this image now inserted on this text and I will send back this image behind this text. Select this edit option. Now click on this image and select, and here you will find this format option. Now activate, click on this format and simply click on this send back option and see this image now placed behind this text. Also I'll send back this image, select format option and select send back and see this. In this way you can insert your image behind text. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.